Your fridge just stopped working, and every minute could be costing you hundreds of dollars in spoiled food. Before you panic, there's one simple thing you should check first. Look at the outlet. Is the plug loose? Did a breaker trip without you noticing? If power isn't the problem, listen carefully. Do you hear any humming sounds? A silent fridge could mean the compressor isn't running, and that's a much bigger issue. But wait, dirty condenser coils can also make a fridge stop cooling. Just a few minutes of cleaning can sometimes bring your fridge back to life. If it's still not cooling, check the temperature settings before calling a technician. Sometimes the fix is simple, but ignoring the warning signs can lead to expensive repairs. Did this help you troubleshoot your fridge? Hit like, subscribe, and comment what's happening with your refrigerator. We might cover your problem next.